tell you the story of two commerce students, Raj and Amit. Both had just completed their 12th grade with high hopes and dreams of building successful careers. But their journeys, they took very different paths. Then Raj made a decision that would shape his future. While pursuing his BCom degree, he chose to join a job-oriented career course, a diploma in computerized financial accounting at Tally Institute of Learning. He took the extra step of gaining practical skills, mastering advanced Excel, Tally Prime with GST, and e-filing. You see, Raj understood something crucial. In today's competitive world, practical knowledge is the key to securing a job after graduation. At Tally Institute of Learning, he received 100% hands-on training in skills that employers actually look for, guided by expert trainers who knew exactly what it takes to be job ready. Amit, however, chose a different path. He believed focusing solely on his BCom degree would be enough. He thought college education alone would open doors for him. What Amit didn't realize was that the industry was looking for much more than just academic theoretical knowledge. While Raj was gaining hands-on experience at Tally Institute of Learning, learning by doing, not just reading, Amit remained focused only on his college studies, disconnected from the real-world requirements of the industry. The difference became clear when they graduated. Through Tally Institute of Learning's Guaranteed Job Assistance Program, Raj secured a valuable internship at a company. This real-world experience, combined with his technical skills, gave him the edge he needed. Soon, Raj landed his dream job thanks to the practical, job-ready skills he had gained during his course. But Amit, he found himself stuck in an endless job search. Despite his academic achievements, he lacked what employers were really looking for: the industry oriented, practical technical skills. His journey became a struggle, finding it impossible to start his career with just theoretical knowledge from college. Finally, after facing rejection after rejection, Amit realized his mistake. He understood that practical skills make all the difference in securing a job. So he decided to join Tally Institute of Learning to gain the competitive edge he needed. But by then, time had already been lost. Amit had to start from scratch, investing more time and money. Meanwhile, Raj had already progressed in his career, earning well and gaining valuable job experience. Now, Amit faces the challenge of catching up, understanding that the right practical skills could have made all the difference earlier. Don't make the same mistake as Amit. Take the wise decision like Raj. Join a job-oriented course while pursuing your college degree. Invest in yourself by acquiring the practical skills that employers demand. Remember, the right training at the right time can make all the difference in securing your dream job and achieving success. Don't wait until it's too late. Join Tally Institute of Learning today and secure your future. Why choose us for your career journey? Because we are committed to your success. We provide industry-oriented, job-ready skills, hands-on practical training, soft skills grooming, 100% job assistance, 24 plus years of excellence in career building. At Tally Institute of Learning, we believe in empowering students with skills that truly matter. With over 24 years of experience, we provide 100% practical training and dedicated job assistance to ensure our students are always ahead in their careers. Remember, a college degree isn't enough. Build skills for success. Join us now